So hello guys, today we are unboxing this GRENARO wireless microphone which comes under 1000 rupees with one receiver and two microphones. So let's start the video. So guys, कुछ इस तरीके का बॉक्स भेजा है फ्लिपकार्ट ने एंड गाइस इसका बाय लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. सो प्लीज चेक आउट देयर. Guys, the box is very premium and very well packed. So guys, this is the GRENARO wireless microphone which comes with the 3-level noise reduction. So guys, let's open the box. So guys, it comes with a receiver and two microphones, and I think this is the USB cable for charging. So guys, this is the charging cable and there are two more additional attachments. So guys, this cable is a little bit unique. Let me show you. So guys, we can charge two devices at one time. So guys, finally we come to the receiver and the mic. So this is the user manual and this is the warranty card. So guys, this is the receiver for the microphone and this is the microphone. These are the three indicators and this is the on off button. The light is blinking for the pairing and simultaneously we on the second mic. So guys, I am connecting the receiver to the phone. So guys, finally the receiver is attached to the phone and the microphone is connected. So now you are listening to this new GRENARO microphone. So please comment down the voice quality. Now we talk about the functions, the noise cancellation functions. If you tap the power button 3 times, then this noise cancellation function changes. And if you tap the power button 2 times, the microphone goes to the mute. And the last indicator is for the low charging. Guys, if you want to purchase the microphone, the link is in the description. So please check out there. And this is the end of the video. Please subscribe our channel and like our video. Thanks for watching.